पहला word है draught, a flow of cool air in a room or other confined space. Dear, a draw, a game in which no one wins. Drawn, having the curtains or drapers closed or pulled shut. Having the curtains or drapers closed or pulled shut. Dreamer, a person who has ideas planned that are not practical realistic. Driver, a person who drives a vehicle. Drizzle, light fine rain. Dromomania, mania for travel. Drought, a long period of time when there is little or no rain. Drover, a person who moves group of cows, sheep from one place to another, especially to market. Druggist, a health professional trained in the art of preparing and dispensing drugs. Dubious, doubtful, suspicious. Ductile, a metal that can be made into a thin wire. Dulcet, melodious, harmonious. Dulcify, make sweeter in taste. Dumb, one who can't speak. Dung, facial matter of animals. Duplex, a flat with room or two floors. Durable, existing for a long time. Dwarf, a person, animal or plant much below the usual height. Dike, a long thick wall that is built to stop water flooding onto a low area of land. Dynamism, energy and enthusiasm to make new things happen or to make things succeed. A dynasty, a series of rulers of a country who all belongs to the same family. A eavesdropper, listen without the speaker knowledge. A eavesdropper, a person who listens secretly to what others people are saying. Eccentric, a person who is considered by others to be strange, unusual. Eclectic, selecting what seems best of various styles or ideas. Ecologist, one who studies and cares about environment. Ecology, the study of the relation of plants and living creatures to each other and their environment. Economical, providing good service value in relation to the amount of time money spent using no more than is necessary. Anxiety, a state of being carried away by overwhelming emotions. Edgy, being in a tense state. Edible, feed suitable to be eaten. Addict, an official order or a statement by somebody in authority. Edifies, a large impressive building. Edifies the edify, instruct or improve someone morally or intellectually. Educationalist, a specialized in the theory of education. Educationist, person, a specialist in theory and method of teaching. Efface, remove completely from recognition, memory, remove by or as if by rubbing, erasing. Fact of a law having legal validity. Affecting, existing in fact. Effeminate, looking, behaving, sounding like woman, a girl. Effete, infertile, worn out, big. Figure, representation of a person, especially in the form of a sculptural. Issue, the expression of feeling in exaggerated way. Egalitarian, favoring social equality. Egalitarianism, the doctrine of the equality of mankind and the disability of political and economic and social equality. Egotist, a person who thinks he or she is the better than other and who thinks and talk too much about himself or herself. Egomania, an intense and irresistible love for yourself and concern for your own needs. Egotist, a person who is excessively conceited or absorbed in themselves. Egotistical, characteristic or false pride. Elaborate, worked out with much care in great detail. Election, the process of choosing a person, a group of people for a position, especially a political position, by voting. Elective, subject to popular election. Elective. Electrode, a body of voters. Electrophile, attracted to electrons. Electrotherapy, the therapeutic application of electricity to the body as in the treatment of various forms of paralysis. Elegy, poem song that express sadness, especially for somebody who has died. Eligible, a person who is able to have do something because he has the right qualification, is the right age. Alert, selected as the best. Elixir, a substance with a magical power to cure, improve, or preserve something. Ellipsis, a set of dots indicating an ellipsis. Elope, to run away with somebody in order to many secretly. Eloquence, fluent speaking, a skillful use of language. Elysium, a paradise with perfect place.